Hi. What you doing? Katie, look over here. Katie. Mom. Mommy. Hi. What you doing?
She went right for the toilet bowl.
Of course she did. Gotta sit down. Gotta sit down. Easy. You can't turn you around with one hand, so we're gonna turn this off, okay? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.